Yo, I figure I'm just gonna make this one little video. It's kind of funny because I hear some people talking crap. If only they knew that I have hundreds of songs and I'm already on iTunes. They wouldn't be saying I'm trying to rap. They'd be saying, oh shit, he raps. So it's kind of like, I don't even know. I'm just making this funny video. You know what I'm saying? See, I keep my identity under wraps. You know what I'm saying? I'm a very humble person. I don't walk around like I'm a cocky asshole. You know what I'm saying? See, but it's like, they're going to see that this is not a game. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, see, people, once again, people doubt themselves, and that's why anybody who comes along, they doubt them as well, which is a fatal flaw in someone's mindset, because you never know who's who. So someone could be spiraling up to the top, and you're doubting him, and then when they get to the top, then you feel like an idiot, and then somebody else could be, quote unquote, at the top and crashing down, but you're jocking them because of their temporary status, but it's like, they're about to crash and burn. You know what I'm saying? So once again, we're gonna break down all these flaws in people's thinking, you know what I'm saying? Because it's leading them to the gutter, you know what I'm saying? And it's just very sad, but we're gonna coach these people, you know what I'm saying? And we're gonna help them out, you know what I'm saying? Holla at your boy, we does this every single day. Spreading wisdom, holla at your, yo, I think this is a game out here, man. Yo, we does this, man. Yo, yo.